Greetings, this is your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Destiny. Welcome to yet another valuable video, guys. So in this video, as you can see by the title, I'll be plugging you with my own very strategy that I trade with daily in the markets. And basically just to explain it before we can actually step on the markets, just to explain what is a strategy, if we can just talk about it. A strategy is a way and a method of approaching the markets due to taking advantage of your own trading edge. That's a strategy. So it's basically this strategy that I'm about to show you. We take advantage of trading the London opening or the London session, and we take intraday trades that can take us 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on the market momentum at that time as we are trading, or within the day, or different days of course. But I believe it's going to be very easy for so many beginners that are just wanting to trade indexes, for anybody even as an advanced trader. I've explained it with the most simplest way of market terminologies, understanding, and of course after you've watched this, please, if it has added so much value to you, kindly do like, kindly do also subscribe to this channel, as we're gonna be bringing fire content to your way that is gonna be adding so much value into your life, that's gonna be making you profitable, as well as the end goal is we want you to make money. So I want people coming back after this to say, man, I've made some good money because of this. Man, I can approach the market so easily because of this. And of course, this is based only on NASDAQ. And as I said, it's based on my trading edge. Through back testing, through practicing this way of trading, I was able to be profitable in the markets. And so many of you have really asked that question. Anyway, let's just step into the market right now. And of course, we're just gonna be going all the way into a Zoom meeting right now. Greetings, family. As I already told you this, that we're actually going to be on the market right now. And I'm actually on my 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we have period sectors that I've already put. But what you got to do on your trading view is you definitely just go to the settings over here. And then you can just go to, say, session breaks. Okay, so as you can see, I tick that again and it shows me what you can do on your side. You can just take down the capacity so that it shouldn't appear too much on the chart. And of course, you can also change the color to your desired color. Okay, then the next thing, of course, we want to really identify the trend, because it's easier that way. That's the whole cherry of this strategy, is you want to identify the trend of the market and you want to trade with it. So as we can see here, the market is in an uptrend. Definitely it tells us that on a 1 hour time frame. Now you want to actually go on your 15 minutes time frame, and as I said at the beginning, you want to actually trade when the market actually gets to open within the London session. So our London session in South Africa starts at 8 a.m. and if we can go here, it clearly shows me that this candle right here, we're forming at 8 a.m. So what I'm going to do for us, I'm just going to simply just play back so that I can be teaching you this. Now, as you can see, the first thing I said want to identify is you want to identify the trend that has already started. I'm just going to put a line here, then you can see exactly what I'm actually talking about. I hope I can get a vertical line. There we go. Okay. So that vertical line marks the session that has started today. And of course, right here as we are, that's when the market was opening. So we can clearly see the market is actually in an uptrend from yesterday's market, or from the Asian market. And definitely, we want to now trade with the trend. And how do we trade with the trend? We trade with structure. Now there's some previous videos of mine that actually show how to identify structure, types of structures. Just scroll down below, or I will just put it just right here and it just pop up for you. After you've watched this video, you can go ahead and watch understanding structure, or you can watch that one and come back to this so that you can actually grasp this strategy. So the next thing now that we want to do, we want to identify structure and trade structure. And we can already see, if we can just look at the bigger picture right here, let me just zoom out. We can already see that the market is in an uptrend. We can already see that the market has actually retested from the previous high, broke it, came back to retest, and we're actually scaling all the way up. Or if that was not enough for you, you can actually place different levels of support and resistance. And as you can see here, there's been this key level that was affecting the market. I don't want to teach mainly on how to trade. It's just a way of doing something, but as you can see, this was an area that was affecting the market a lot. And we can see the market giving us a rejective candle. What does it say to us? In that case today, it was simply saying that the market is failing to break that area that has already been failing to break twice. So now it's showing us again that it's actually failing. Now let's just play it out and see what that actually happened. So if you were to put your risk to reward ratio for today, let's say, and you're trading here, you put your stop loss right here, you're anticipating probably take profit to hit maybe 1:2. Again, you want to just trade within the day. Let's play it out, guys. Let's play it out. Let's see how that played. As you can see, that is what we actually got for today. We actually got the market shooting all the way up and smoothly so going all the way to these areas now. So one would be looking at taking some partial profits as we're approaching the strong areas. Or of course, if you have according to your style of trading. But for those who have adopted trading structure the way I do, I probably could have taken partials and then stop the rest all the way to the take profit. But now I just want to keep it as simple for you guys to say you want to look at when the market, of course, breaks a session, starts a new session. So these are your session breaks that we've marked right there with a vertical line. And of course, we have now the starting of a session, and you want to trade right at the beginning of a session. And as you can see, it gives you those nice moves, those nice pips that you can catch on NASDAQ. Now I would really actually want to have another example. Let's see if we can catch that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I want to go previously and see yesterday if we had market actually doing such, and definitely there we go. Okay, this was yesterday around about 11:30. Okay, we're gonna be all of that. So this was the opening. Let's go to it. This was the session break that we can spot right here. So we had this session breaking into, of course, overlapping. And of course, we had the London session already starting round about right here. Okay, round about right here. So as well as I just also mentioned that you can trade just according to structure. Yes, the overall trend may be telling you it's buys. Of course, when we're previously here, I think it was a good Monday, and of course the market was still in a downtrend, and we had the market being on these levels, and we can clearly see these were very much strong levels that the market had being resisted at. And we can clearly see right at the opening right there of the London session, we had the market tanking all the way down. So those were beautiful pips if one could have actually spotted that. So we can see it's not a strategy that works because I want it to work. It's based on observation, it's based on back testing, numerous data to be able to say, guys, I recommend this way of trading. Now, again, this is my style. This is not the trading. This is my style and approach based on an edge that I built up. So I hope that you find this strategy profitable for you, that you can actually now take advantage of the markets, and just back test it. So I'm gonna need you guys before just jumping on the on your real account tomorrow or the following week. Just back test it on your demo and see how this works. But of course, if you're already an experienced trader, an intermediate trader, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Just take my concept, turn it into yours, and kill these markets. As I said, I just wanted to plug you guys in order for you guys to make money in the markets. That's what I'm all about. And I hope that if this video has really blessed you enough, you can kindly do subscribe, like, and share this with your friends and family. God bless you. I am signing out.